To replace a LawnMaster mower blade, you'll need a socket wrench or wrench 15 millimeters in diameter, and also some type of object that you can place when screwing on and off the blade. So I've chosen a mallet. I'm going to stick the mallet in the side discharge, and so this is just so when I'm screwing on and off the nut and bolt that I'm not grabbing on the blade with my hand so I don't cut my fingers. So I'm going to loosen up the nut and bolt. Once it's loose enough, I can just do it by hand. So once this is off, grab your replacement blade and make sure these grooves align with the grooves on the mower deck. So I'm going to line them up. Once aligned, take your nut and bolt, tighten back into place to secure the blade. Once you've tightened it enough by hand, take your socket wrench or wrench and tighten back into place. And now your mower is ready for use.